Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to auto-fit column wide in Excel. Why would you want to know how to auto-fit column wide in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Excel. So today I am going to show you how to auto-fit column wide in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now let's select our table. Then move the mouse to the edge. Just double click on left mouse to fit. Now let's select again and double click on the edge. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to auto fit column wide in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.